In this video, we're going to talk about the equations of a line. So all these graphs are going to be linear, so they're going to look similar to a line. So basically we have three types. We have slope-intercept, point-slope, and standard form. Slope-intercept, they got that name from because the M is our slope and the B is our y-intercept. If we were to plot the y-intercept on the graph, it would be 0, comma B. Alright, point slope, again we have our M is the slope, and then this x1, y1, that's a point on the graph. And standard form, there's nothing really fancy about A, B, or C. All we know is that A, B, and C are all integers. Okay, so that means A, B, and C are all numbers that aren't fractions. They can be negative, they can be positive, but they can't be fractions, and they can't be decimals. So basically, each one of these has their own unique benefits to each one, but for now we're just going to learn how to work with them. Alright, for this example, it's asking us to rewrite the equation in the specified form. So we got y plus 4 equals 1/2 times x minus 3, and that right there is point-slope form. So they're asking for a slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So we have to solve this equation. We're pretty much taking this equation and solving for y. We're getting y all by itself. So let's distribute this 2 right away. So we have y plus 4 equals 1/2 x minus 3/2. Now we need to get rid of this 4 right here. So we're going to subtract it to both sides. And bring it up here to save room. So we have y equals 1/2 x minus 3/2 minus 4. Well, 3/2 minus 4, those aren't like denominators, so I'm going to rewrite 4 as 8/2. Basically the same thing. It is the same thing. So it's y equals 1/2 x minus 11/2. And there's our slope-intercept. Our slope is 1/2, and our y-intercept is -11/2. Next up we have standard form, which comes in the form as ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are not fractions or decimals. So we're going to take our function here, and we're just going to rewrite it so it looks something like this. So we have y already over to the left. That's fine. So we need to get this 1/2 x over. So I'm going to subtract it to both sides. So we're going to have -1/2 x plus y equals -11/2. Now remember I said we don't want any fractions, so we're going to try and get rid of these denominators. So I'm going to multiply everything by 2. That's going to give us -x, because 2 times 1, -1/2 is -1, plus 2y equals -11. And that is standard form with our a equals -1, our b equals 2, and our c equals -11. So bingo, bango, bongo. After watching those 2 very brief slides, you should be able to do some practice problems. So we're going to look at page 211 in the textbook, numbers 6 to 11.